Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today I want to remind you why and how to limit your omega-6 oils. Omega-6 oils have literally flooded the American food supply over the past 60 years. They include soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, and safflower oil. These refined vegetable oils, as they are typically referred to, are found in almost all processed foods. Indeed, the consumption of soybean oil, the processed food industry's pet oil, has increased 1,000-fold since 1909. Unfortunately, omega-6 oils feed into the pro-inflammatory pathways in the body. Too much omega-6 is a bad thing. When we consume excessive amounts of omega-6 oils, our pro-inflammatory pathways in our bodies go on overdrive. To add insult to injury, omega-6 fats are in a direct one-to-one competition with the anti-inflammatory and super important omega-3 fats. For every omega-6 fat in your system, that is one less opportunity for omega-3 fats to do their good deeds. Optimal ratios of omega-6 to omega-3 fats are estimated to be about 2-to-1. Sadly, the average American consumes a ratio closer to 14 to 20-to-1. No wonder inflammatory-based diseases are rampant. In addition to the plethora of omega-6 laden processed foods, the meat of conventionally raised livestock, not grass-fed or free-range, are an additional source of these ubiquitous fats, thanks to the corn and soybeans industrial farmers use as feed. So, here is your plan of action for limiting your intake of omega-6 oils. Number 1, do not buy soybean oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, or corn oil. Number 2, in lieu of those oils, choose extra virgin olive oil, EVOO. This anti-inflammatory oil should be your oil of choice for room temperature and moderate heat food preparation. For high heat food prep, think above 400 degrees, choose organic expeller pressed canola oil, avocado oil, or sesame oil. Number 3 on our list, avoid foods that list one of the omega-6 oils as the first or second ingredient. That would include most bottled salad dressings, mayonnaise. In fact, they're notoriously high in omega-6 oils. Make your own salad dressing with extra virgin olive oil and look for mayo made with canola oil, olive oil, or avocado oil. Thankfully, these varieties of mayo are now widely available in the standard grocer. Snack foods and classic junk foods are yet another infamous source of omega-6 fats. Check the ingredients list for these oils if you are purchasing a processed snack food, which I hope you rarely do. Number 4, avoid fried foods, especially from restaurants. Typically, fast food restaurants, or the most notorious one, use omega-6 oils as their favorite oils for that deep frying. Number 5, minimize your intake of conventionally raised red meat. That's beef, pork, and lamb. For your red meat, choose grass-fed or free-range varieties or wild game, if available and within your budget. Lastly, feel free to pass this video on to your friends and loved ones, because one of the greatest gifts we can give is the gift of better health. Thank you.